Hi folks, welcome back. So now it's time to take a look at how you can use the ChatAgent class, very important class. So we already discussed in theory that ChatAgent class helps you to maintain the conversation between the user and the agent. So you need to specify things like the name of the agent, or what agent does, some kind of instructions around the agent, or the tone of agent that you want. So all that goes in the ChatAgent class as such, right? So now we will actually make use of it. So what you can do is you start with your base code. As I said, the math Azure OpenAI can be used. You can actually copy and paste and then just rename it, and let's say we call it Azure OpenAI and we say chat message, right? Sorry, chat agent, because we are interested in the chat agent .py, right? So let's close the other one. So okay, now the aim is that we need to use the chat agent class. So how do we do that, right? So first one is fine. Second is also fine, because we need to make use of the Azure OpenAI Responses client. But here I bring a change. I say agent framework and here I need to import the chat agent. Very important, right? Because we need to work on the chat agent class, and rest if you see, it's all good. We are loading the environment variables. That's all fine. Then we are defining our main, and in here again there will be a change. What I'll do is so instead of actually creating the agent using the create agent using Azure OpenAI Responses client, what we will do is first we will actually define a client. We'll say client is equal to and we will actually give Azure Responses client, right? That is what we need to give. And what we need is we'll say agent is equal to chat agent, right? And rest everything kind of stays the same, but we need to introduce a new thing, because you need to actually define what your client is, right? So we just say chat underscore client is equal to client. Very important, right? So all we did was we kind of removed the Azure OpenAI Responses client .create agent, and we are introducing the chat agent class, if you see. And here it says sample math Azure OpenAI, and I can say instead of agent I can say chat agent, description and agent that demonstrates Azure OpenAI integration with math, and I can say and chat agent, just like for our understanding. You're a helpful assistant with Azure OpenAI to respond to queries. All good. Give me a bullet points for Microsoft Agent Framework. That also looks fine to me. And we are also just simply running the agent. I think looks all fine to me. All we did was we brought in the chat agent class. So let's give it a go and see how it runs. And yeah, if you see, it has run fine. It's given us unified framework for building AI agents and built-in connectors, all that stuff. So really good. So the aim was to use the base code and bring in and introduce the functionality of chat agent class. Thanks for watching, guys.